Welcome to Mavis Academy. Our lesson of today is Implicit Differentiation, Part 2. In this video, this is the rule that we'll be using as the last video we used. That is that d by dy by dx will be used in any other term that is different from x. So having this in mind, let's work on the problem. This is the second example that we'll be solving in this video. That is 5 x to the power of 3 equals negative 3xy plus 2. And in the corner we have the rule of dy by dx. For solving this, first of all we have to do the power rule in its terms, and also apply the d by dx in each of the terms. So we have a problem here, as you can see, is that in this it is needed to do a product rule, because as you can see the x and the y are multiplicating and not adding by itself, and for this we have to do a product rule. And you can see the last videos in which, if you don't remember to do the product rule, you can review the previous videos to how to do product rule. But for this, we have to first identify the f of x and the g of x. In this, the f of x will be 3x, and then the prime of them will be the power rule of them. That will be just 3, and the g of x will be y, and the prime of them of it will be its power rule, that will be just 1. And we have to multiply the f of x times the g prime of x, and then multiply the f prime of x times the g of f of x. And then we have just to multiply each of these terms and add them, and then we have to add the dy by dx in the g prime of x. So in this case we have just to multiply and solve this part, that will give us this result. So having this result of the product rule, we have to incorporate the results of the product rule into the equation that we will be using to solve this example. So for this, it's just to clear the question and leave the dy by dx alone. In this, we just have to pass these terms, that is positive, and pass it into negative side. Then we have to put this term into the other side, which this term is multiplied, so in this part will be dividing, so it will give us what we see in this part, and then we have just to cancel some terms that it will give us just 0. In this case will be the negative 3 and the positive 3, so we cancel it, and this will be our final result.